comes to your mind when you hear the word Ozempic? Weight loss, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. Your guess is as good as mine. But do you know that this drug was originally manufactured to manage type 2 diabetes, but has now gained celebrity status because of its ability to reduce weight, which is actually meant to be a side effect of the drug? Hello and welcome to Mere Talk with Pharmacist News. Today I'll be revealing to you why taking only Ozempic or similar drugs for your weight management could be a bad idea. Ozempic and similar drugs like Wegovy and Mounjaro has exploded in popularity. Some even refer to them as the miracle weight loss shots. But here's the ugly truth. For many, the weight comes right back, and sometimes even more. Ozempic works by making a hormone called GLP-1. It slows down your digestion and suppresses your appetite. Great, isn't it? But the problem is, when you stop taking this medication, your appetite returns with even stronger cravings, and your body fights to regain every kilo that it has lost. Alright, as you all know, I usually don't talk without presenting facts to you. So we'll be going into research right now to see what findings have been made concerning this topic that we're talking about today. This particular research that you're seeing on your screen was carried out to determine if people will regain weight or maintain the weight that they lost after taking semaglutide. Semaglutide is actually the active ingredient in Ozempic for a 20-week period. Initially, 902 participants received shot of semaglutide under their skin once a week for 20 weeks. The number of participants was reduced to 803 after these 20 weeks because some individuals did not fit the requirements for the second phase. Participants were split into two groups for the second phase, and they were given semaglutide or an inactive ingredient called placebo for an extra 48 weeks. Now let's see what their findings is. Those who continue to take semaglutide maintained or further reduced their weight, while those who switched to a placebo experienced weight gain. The British Broadcasting Corporation also did their findings, and they interviewed some health experts concerning this topic, and some questions were asked. Let's now look at the first question. Why is there a need to continue semaglutide? Why is it needed? Well, Domenica Rubio, who is the director of the Washington Center for Weight Management and Research, told the BBC that obesity or being overweight is just like managing other chronic conditions like hypertension, arthritis, or diabetes. When you stop to take your medication in this condition, you'd most likely go back to being the way you were before or even worse. So here is the second question that was asked. Does everyone gain weight after quitting Ozempic? According to Rubio and other international experts, such as Ulster University Clinical Professor of Medicine, Alex Miras, they said that only roughly 10% of people maintain their weight after stopping semaglutide, as reported by the BBC. Then the second question is, how long does it take to put back all the old weight? Miras asserts that people typically gain weight more quickly than they lose it. Actually, it only takes 3 to 6 months to put on all the weight you lost in 68 weeks. Then here was the last question. How big is the regain problem? Here are some of the responses that were given and some other. The primary explanation for why most patients regain weight so quickly after stopping the medication is that the portions of the brain linked to appetite remain disrupted, causing the person to overeat. Ozempic only marks this disruption, and when their effect is removed, people's food cravings soon return. The BBC that many who regain weight after the medication or dieting experience a change in their body composition, which could potentially be even worse for their long-term health than if they had simply maintained their existing weight. Weight regain is usually accompanied by accumulation of fats and less muscle, says Miras. So you end up going back to higher fat and a lower muscle mass. That's not good, Miras says, because you having more muscle is good for reducing the risk of diabetes and heart disease. I think this is a wake-up call for every one of us. These drugs do not fix our appetite, neither do they fix our metabolism. They only suppress them while we're on them. See, I'm not here to scare you. Ozempic can be really helpful for your weight management, especially when you combine it with other plans. But if you're relying on it alone for your weight management, then you're in for a road shock. Long-term success needs more than just injection. Think nutrition, exercise, diet, and the right mindset. Alright, thank you for sticking around with me up until this moment. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. And if you have anybody who has used any of this medication, whether Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Ozempic, and they have currently quit, please share their experiences with us in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.